Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with another video. To all those who subscribed to the channel and watched my previous videos, thank you very much for your love and support. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can reset your Windows 7 password without using a Windows installation disk or a third-party password reset tool or a password reset disk that you can prepare in Windows itself. Now, once in a while, some of us do forget what our password is. Maybe you have not used your system for a quite long time, or you have by chance just forgot your password. So in this video, I'm going to explain the simplest and the best procedure to reset your Windows 7 password without using any other tool. We're going to use all the necessary applications or tools available in the Windows itself. To begin with the process, what you have to do is, as you can see here right now, we are on the login screen, and let's assume you do not remember your password. So what you have to do is, you have to restart your computer. I'm not going to do this right now. I'm going to tell you what you have to do exactly. So when you restart your computer and when it's completely shut down, as soon as you see the Windows logo, starting Windows logo, power off your machine by either pressing the power button for 5 to 10 seconds or completely turning off the power. Once you have done that, wait for 2 to 3 seconds and power your system back up. When you do that, once it boots, it will give you a Windows error recovery screen. I'll show it to you right now. So I'm going to restart the system and I'm going to power it off. So as soon as you see this starting Windows, just power off your device. And when you power it back on, you'll see this particular screen, Windows Error Recovery. From here, you have to select Launch Startup Repair. When you press enter on Launch Startup Repair, you will be provided with this window. It will ask you, do you want to restore your computer using System Restore or using your restore point? Here, click on cancel and you'll have to wait for quite a long time. It also depends upon system to system. Wait for a while for this process to finish. Once the process finishes, you'll get this error message. Startup repair cannot repair this computer automatically. Here what you have to do is, in front of view problem details, click on this drop down icon. Scroll down to the end. Here you will see this text file. Click on it. It will open up a notepad for you. Now we don't have to do anything with this notepad itself. What we have to do is click on File, click on Save As, and it will open up another window. In Save As type, select All Files, and on the left side click on Computer. Now here what you have to do is you have to locate your system drive, the drive in which your operating system is installed. Now for some it could show up as D drive, E drive, or with any alphabet. But in majority of cases it will either show up as C or it will show up as Windows 7 C. So open up your system drive, go to Windows, scroll down and go to System 32. Once you are in System 32, locate a file with the name util-man. So scroll down to the file starting with U. Here it is. Now click on this file and then right click on it. Click on rename. Now we're going to change its name because in the next procedure I'll explain to you why we have to change its name. So rename it to anything you want. I'm going to rename it to .bak, that is .backup. Press enter. Once the file is renamed, you have to locate another file with the name cmd. Scroll up and locate the file starting with alphabet C. Here it is. Now right click on CMD and click on copy, and then scroll down to the bottom, and in the blank space at very bottom, right click and click on paste. Now what we have done right here is we have created a backup of utilman and we have a backup for CMD. Now we created this backup for CMD because we have to rename cmd.exe to utilman.exe, and I'll show you the end result in few minutes. Scroll back up to CMD, right click on it and click on rename, and we're going to rename it to utilman. Press enter. Now once all is done, all the file backing up is done, all the renaming is done, close out of all the windows and then click on cancel. It will ask you, do you want to exit, startup, repair and restart the computer? Click on yes. When you click on yes, your computer will start back up normally. Now once your system starts back up normally, what you have to do is, on the login screen, as you do not know your password, look at the left bottom corner, you will see the icon for ease of access. Click on it, and when you click on it, it will open up a CMD window for you. Why it happened is because we renamed cmd.exe to utilman.exe, and this particular icon for ease of access is directly linked to the file name utilman.exe. Now we renamed the original file and gave the file name to CMD. Now you have CMD open here. Now what you have to type here is control user passwords 2 and then press enter. It will open up this window for you. Now you have complete control of user creation, modification and password resetting capability without logging into the Windows. So as we have only one user, administrator, so we are going to reset password for administrator. Select your user and then click on reset and enter your desired password. Then click on OK. Again click on OK and close this CMD window and enter your newly created password here and press enter. And you'll be logged back into your Windows. So you have resetted your lost password successfully. Now one more thing that is left to be done is we have to revert back all the changes that we made. Means we have to rename CMD back to its original name, cmd.exe, and we have to rename utilman.exe back to its original name. So to do that, you have to follow up the same procedure. Restart your computer. While it shows you starting Windows logo, power it off, start it back up, go into Windows error recovery mode and follow the same procedure that we performed earlier and rename those files back to their original names. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for some of you. If some of you are not able to perform these particular tasks, if some of you face any kind of problem, please type in your queries in the comments. I'll make sure I'll help you out with it. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video as much as you can. It will be really helpful for me. And that's it for today's video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.